Welcome to SharePoint 2013 Change a Site. This is Administrator Training, and I'm Trainer Lori. Click Page to edit your page, and check it out. Now it will say Checked Out and Editable. Then click Edit. Then you have two new tabs called Format Text and Insert. And you'll have zones. There's 3 zones on this page, and you can have up to 5 zones. You can change them as you need to, and this is where you put the information about the site. The first one we want to add some text to. So I add the text and I change it and format it using the Format Text. If I want, I can click the Text Layout button and have up to 5 different zones on my page with all these different layout combinations. Now I want to insert an app part. So I click in the zone to position where my app part will go and click Insert App Part. And all your app parts will appear on the left side. Select the one you want, click Add. And now it appears in that zone. If you want to add another app part in that zone, it will add it underneath. So if you want it on the top, you'll have to delete the one that you have. And if you notice, when I hover over, I've got a drop down and a check mark here. I click the drop down and now I can delete it. Remember, it's not going to delete it off your site, just off the page. I can also edit the web part, and that gives me a lot more functionality if you choose to. And then just make sure you hit Apply. And save, then click Checked In when you're done. Now the finished app part is right in the containers that I want. To delete an app, click the gear, then Site Settings, and then Content and Structure. Find your subsite on the left, and on the right, check the app that you don't want anymore, and click the Actions button. And under that will be Delete. Never delete site assets or site pages. If you do, then you might as well have just deleted the site. To add an app, click Site Contents, and as an administrator you'll have the option to add an app. Scroll through and find the ones that you want. Any templates, for example official sites, will be at the end. So scroll to the end to find those. Click, then Create. You can add an app multiple times, so give it a unique name. Then click Create. To add a page, click the gear. Click Add a Page. Give it a name. Hit Create. It is now checked out and editable, and just like we saw earlier, you can format the text, you can insert web apps, and you can change the layout. You can see it hasn't been checked in yet, so we have to hit Save and Check In. And when we check in, we have the option to give it a title. Now you can have text at the top of your page without taking up an entire zone for your text. Well, that's all this time. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.